All right, this is a review, but I'm hoping it'll help some of you with your final drawing. So I like to do the spine first. So her spine is very curved. Her shoulders are at an angle. Once I do the shoulders and the hips, I can tell a little bit more about the size of the head, size of the neck, and the angle of it. From there, the arms are super easy because they're just two lines. You just got to make them the right size. Check the angles. You can check the angles with your pencil, by the way. Check it by your pencil. If you didn't get that, my battery's going low, so I think that might have. Then you can go and start adding the muscles, okay? So when you're bent this much, you really do have two parts. And you can see that part and then this part. You can imagine that the hips have some roundness to them. Then we have the legs. You can sort of see the outline of the shadow of the leg enough to be able to draw it. This part of the leg you definitely can draw. Remember, you can draw the muscle first and then connect, or you can try to draw the outline. So muscle, muscle, connect to the knee, muscle. And then this does go behind the dress, so you can't really see that there. So you can really see the muscle in her shoulder, the muscle in her bicep. See how there's a muscle that comes on each side of the bone here before we get to the hand that actually goes this way. So there's a muscle here, muscle like so. Hand is nice and open. You can just do it like that. And then you can add the clothes on top of that. So you can see the dress flows around here. It's a little bit up, comes out like so. Notice that the dress is pretty tight, so you don't have to do a whole lot up here. You really just have to do this part. Now there's a little more curve in here. You can add. Goes right into the armpits. Don't forget the neck. Give her a chin. You can see how this comes together piece by piece. It looks like there's a little bit more of a hip muscle here, and you can definitely add that. And then you can erase what you don't need and trace around the outside edges of your arm. Notice how the shoulder comes into here. You can also draw the hair. The hair really just comes off the head. All right, good luck.